Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve when x plus 1 over x is root 13 and we have to find the value of x power 5 minus 1 over x power 5. And our x cannot be equals to 0 because 1 upon 0 can't be possible. So in step 1, I am taking this x plus 1 over x is equals to root 13 and I am doing squaring both sides. So the left hand sides look like x plus 1 over x whole square is equals to root 13 whole square. So here I am using and expand it with the help of the famous identity a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus twice of a. So it becomes x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 times x plus 1 over x is equals to square root of 13 square is 30. Now I can eliminate this x with x. So what is left? X square plus 1 over x square is equals to 13. Here plus 2 goes to other side minus 2. So the value of x square plus 1 over x square is 11. Now I'm taking x minus 1 over x square. So the formula is x square plus 1 over x square minus 2x times 1 over x. So I can eliminate this. So in place of x square plus 1 over x square, with the help of equation 1, I can write 11. So 11 minus 2. So the value of x minus 1 over x square is 9 and x minus 1 over x is 3. I am taking this as equation number 2. Now, we know the identity that a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab and a minus b. So in place of a minus b whole cube, I can write x minus 1 over x whole cube is equals to x cube minus 1 over x cube minus 3 times of x times of 1 over x and here x minus 1 over x. So in place of x minus 1 over x, with the help of equation number 2, I can write 3. So here 3 cube is equals to x cube minus 1 over x cube minus, I can eliminate this, so only 3 left, and I can replace this bracket x minus 1 over x in equation number 2, that is 3. So 3 times 3. So here 3 cube is 27 and here minus 9 comes here plus 9 is equals to x cube minus 1 over x cube. So the value of x cube minus 1 over x cube is 36. This is my equation number 3. So now we have to find the value of x power 5 minus 1 over x power 5. So we can find this value with the help of, if I multiply equation number 1 with equation number 3. So multiply equation 1 and 3. So it becomes x square plus 1 over x square times x cube minus 1 over x cube is equals to 11 times 36. So if I multiply the first term with the next whole bracket and the second term with the next whole bracket. So x squared times x cube is x power 5 minus x square over x cube plus x cube over x square minus 1 over x power 5 is equals to 11 times 36 is 396. So I can eliminate the values here. So what is left? X power 5 minus 1 over x power 5 plus x minus 1 over x is equals to 396. So x power 5 minus 1 over x power 5 plus I can replace x minus 1 over x with equation number 2, that is 3 plus 3 is equals to 396. So the value of x power 5 minus 1 over x power 5 is 396 minus 3, that is 393. That's how we can find the value of x power 5 minus 1 over x power 5. I hope it's clear. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.